Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you are all safe and studying at home. Please stay at home and follow the rules of health. Dear students, today I will discuss with you about the first assignment of English first paper, subject code 107, HSC English first paper, the assignment given by Dhaka board. Please stay with me and carefully and attentively listen to me how you would write the assignment. You would prepare the assignment. So, dear students, please be attentive. Here is the assignment for you. Assignment number 1. Assignment, what you are going to write in this first assignment of English first paper. Topic and learning outcome. Unit 13, food adulteration. A learner will be able to write a short summary of the story, write his personal opinion about a short story, write creative statement about a story, use vocabulary suitable to comment on a story. Dear students, you all who follow me in my live classes or you were with me in my Zoom classes, I taught you how to write a summary, what to do to write a good summary. In this particular assignment, write in short in English about Bangla or English short story that you have read. So you are going to write a short story, whether you have read it in Bengali or in English. So now look at the steps, instruction, and scope. Choose a short story that you enjoyed reading either in Bangla or English. Write within 200 to 250 words. Write the summary of the story. What to do when you will write a summary of that particular story. Focus on plot, characters in only 5 to 8 sentences. Then write what you liked and did not like about the story. Then, if you are asked to bring some changes in the story, what would you change? And finally, a concluding statement. These are the parts of your assignment. So first of all, you have to write a story, a common familiar story to you, whether you have read it in English or Bengali. So, what will you do? What you have to do? Choose a short story, write within 200 to 250 words. You are familiar with the item completing story. So, we will choose or select a story that you are familiar with. Suppose honesty is the best policy. Unity is the strength. Dress does not make a man great, etc. These stories are very familiar to you. First of all, you have to write the story within 200 to 250 words. Suppose you have selected the story, Unity is the strength. You all know the story about the old man and about his 3 sons. So, if you choose the story, first of all, you have to write the story beautifully within 200 to 250 words. The next step will be write the summary of the story. And you have to focus on the plot, characters, only within 5 to 8 sentences. So, what is the plot? Easy to say. What is the theme on which the story you are going to tell? The unity. Unity is the theme or the plot of the story. We are going to write the story of the old man and three sons who usually quarreled about among each other, and how did his father teach them that unity is strength. So after writing the story within 200 to 250 words, then you will write the summary. Dear girls, I have already taught you how to write a fine summary in limited sentences and limited words. You have already known about the techniques of the summary writing. So, step number 3, write what you liked and did not like about the story. In this story, we are discussing about the story of old man and his three sons who quarreled among each other often, and their father was very anxious about his three sons. After his death, what will they do? How will they live if they always quarrel among each other? So if you liked anyone, anything in this story, write that. If you don't like anything in this story, you will write here. Then the next step, if you are asked to bring some changes in the story, what would you change? Here you have to write if you have any, you want to make any changes here, any part of the story that you want to write in your own way. If you have something like this, you will write here. How? Saying, I don't like this part of the story. This story can be told or written in this way. This can be the conclusion, or this can be the introduction. Write your opinion in your own language. A concluding statement. And overall, your idea, opinion about the statement you have written about the story. So, dear students, first of all, you have to select a story. I have told you the story can be about unity is the strength, honesty is the best policy, dress doesn't make a man great, or a friend in need is a friend indeed. Anyone you can select. Then first of all, you have to write the story within 200 to 250 words. The next step will be the summary writing, and the summary will be confined into 5 to 8 sentences. And then you have to write your opinion about the story. If you dislike something in that particular story. And the next step, if you are asked to bring some changes in the story, what would you change? তোমাকে যদি এই গল্পের মধ্যে কোনো পরিবর্তন আনতে বলা হয়, তাহলে তুমি কি পরিবর্তন আনতে? And the last one is a concluding statement, your opinion about the story. Then look at the screen, dear students. What you have to do: organization, vocabulary, strong logical organization according to instructions. You have to write the story according a logical sequence and organization. Don't jumble the ideas, the incidents. Write in an organized way. Vocabulary: uses a wide range of vocabulary without repetition. Try to use your own language, your own vocabulary, and don't repeat a word several times. That will not carry you marks. Then you have to concentrate on grammar. Uses a wide range of structures efficiently. You have to concentrate on grammar, the uses of verbs, the uses of nouns, pronouns, adjectives, or other parts of speech, the speech, direct, indirect speech. You have to maintain a fine grammatical format to write this story. Then writing a summary of the story. While you will write the summary of the story, the summary conveys the theme and the characters of the story perfectly. I have already taught you how to write a good summary. In the summary, you only concentrate on the theme and the characters, and you will write the summary in simple, short sentences. You will avoid the long, complicated, unnecessary elaboration. So you all know how to write a good summary. Presenting opinion. Excellent presentation of opinion which reflect high creative thinking. Here you have to write about the changes. If you are asked to bring some changes in the story, what would you change? তোমাকে যদি কোনোরকম চেঞ্জ আনতে বলা হয়, suppose the story honesty is the best policy. A farmer found a purse full of money or gold coin, and he returned it to the owner of the bag or purse, and the farmer was rewarded. In this story, if you want to bring some changes, what changes will you bring? That will highlight, that will prove your high creative thinking. So dear students, first of all, you have to select a story according to your choice. I have already told you, you can write the story of the honesty is the best policy. You can write about the story unity is strength. You can write the story about a friend in need is a friend indeed, or the dress doesn't make a man great. Several stories you have already learned in your SSC level and HSC level. So select a story and select the story which you will feel comfort to write the story and the summary, and that is the point. Write what you liked and did not like about the story. If you have some disliking about the story, you have to write it. And if you want to bring some changes in this particular story, please write the story changes, like the changes. So dear students, I hope you can understand how you have to write the assignment number 1 of your first paper. If you have any problem, please call me. You have all my phone number. You can ask any question in our messenger group. So don't hesitate to ask me any question about your assignment. I am confident that my guys will write a fine assignment and they will bear a good mark. Hope for the best. Stay at home. Goodbye.